Saturday, May 2nd, and Dad and Aidan took the day off yesterday, went to go see a potential new customer up the road here, and he had some wiring issues, and so they sorted out a deal there, what they're going to do. Dad and Aidan have been working on this for the last couple hours, still grinding, obviously, but we'll check in with Aidan here. Oh, they're going to get the bumper out to see what it looks like. Parked the bumper outside the other day. But now Dad was tossing and turning in his sleep last night because he's really worried about doing not the pressure washing, the sandblasting, because he's worried that if he sandblasts too much, we're going to open up more of these spots. And I told him it's pretty necessary for us to do some sandblasting, because otherwise it's going to cost him an absolute fortune to do all the sanding here by hand, not by hand but by the other machine, and that's going to translate to the customer. So this is the other bumper. So this is the rear utility bumper here, and the other thing is just got a call from a guy from Snow Lake who has himself a 63, and that 63 is not coming in for service, but he wants to come visit. So he says he loves Dad's channel and loves how Dad just says it like it is. So he's coming in a couple days. So, like normal, big shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson and Jeff Anderson and my Aunt Joyce. She watches every single video, so shout out to her. And everybody loves Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Hey, she's just a busy little dog. And here's the other bumper that we have made right now. And it's finally warming up here. It's like supposed to be plus 10 right about now, but the yard is still kind of a little mucky. When I drove in earlier, Emily was guarding at the gate. And there's Yeti the Yetters. So maybe I'll go give, oh, there's my Filipino Emily. We're gonna give these guys some treats and then we'll come back to Dad and Aidan. So now that it's warmed up, one of the things I gotta do around here is some serious frickin' housekeeping. Got a lot of extra shit around here. Some of this stuff belongs to this client, but a lot of these parts, if they're not going back on, they're gotta get moved out. This obviously stays here because that's going in that machine. But I got no reason to have these tracks in here at all right now. But that's not my biggest concern at all. It is all these spare frickin' motors. That 318's been sitting there for a year and a half, more. You got this right here. This has got to get moved out. And I got these two right here. Got to move out. Got to move this one out. Just because there's no space. So I'm going to set up some pallets over here. And I'm going to sell this crap. And yeah, 7. So if we get rid of even one, it'll be a...
Roddy was here.
Okay, good.
Squared up with him.
Okay.
We're all even, and I got 2 differentials coming.
Good. Okay. Differentials for who?
Well, one for wide gauge and one I'm going to send in make for a narrow gauge.
Oh, okay.
Because either one of them fail. Like anybody that's got a wide gauge.
Yeah.
You have to have a differential.
Yeah. So they're measuring and cutting some plates here for the rear bumper. And Kitty the cat.